Hi guys, my name is Imtiaz. I'm Salesforce developer, and this video is for every Salesforce developer who work with Visual Studio Code. So we authorize Salesforce org in VS Code to retrieve, deploy, and take backups of our code. So generally, we work with a sandbox where multiple users work simultaneously, and it is very irritating when someone override our code for making changes without taking latest backup of our component. I also face this kind of issues. So what is the solution? The solution is whenever we modify something, we should go to our current VS Code directory and copy metadata folders and place it at backup directory. It's not a big deal, but doing same many times can waste our time or maybe irritating. So the outstanding solution is doing this lengthy task in one click. Yes, just in one click. I'll tell you how, but let me show you how generally how what we do to take the backup. Okay, so like this is a VS Code. This is VS Code, and we want this org metadata backup in a directory. So what we generally do, so we like that directory is here, text simplifier. Okay, you can see here text simplifier. This is the directory. So generally we go to force f man default, like we want backup of classes and LWC. We go here, we copy this, and then we go here, and this is text simplifier. We create new backup and add those folders here, date wise, correct. uh, it's not a big deal, but it takes some time. So what is the solution of doing this fast? uh, that's what I'm telling you. One second. Like this all process I will do in just one click, just in one click. How? I'm showing you. Okay, let me delete this backup folder. I have deleted this. Like here is this org. So I will create a new folder with the same name and backup. Okay, so I've created new folder with backups. So this folder's metadata will store in this by date wise whenever we want, just one click. Okay, so this is the folder. So what I'm gonna do, okay, I'll just one click. This is B, has the latest backup. Okay, again I'll click B. This is the backup. Okay, so how we'll do this? Okay, so we will write a batch script for doing this. So first what we need to do, we need to create a batch file for this. Okay, so at desktop we'll create a batch file. So for this just create a batch file and save. I'll save on desktop all files b.bat. The extension of batch file is bat. We'll save on desktop. I save. So here is my code. The batch code I have written here. I'll show you how to use for your directories. Let me close this. Okay, I have put that code here. Okay, this is the code I have written for the backup. So you only need to change this, nothing else. Only you have to put your direct VS Code directory and backup directories here. So how you will do that? Okay, let me show you. So just go to your VS Code directory. Where is your VS Code directory? This is your VS Code directory. Go here, copy this path from here. Copy. Now go to this batch file and you will see VS Code path. So you have to add that path here. Just add that and save. After that, the folder you created for backups. Yeah, this is text simplifier backups. So just copy this path here. Let me delete this all this content because we are starting afresh. Yeah, I've deleted this. Just copy this text simplifier backup path. Okay, then add that backup path in this variable like this. This is backup directory and this is actual Visual Studio Code directory. Save it. Yeah, save it and close it. So this is the VS Code directory, this is backup directory. Okay, so here is our batch file. Okay, we'll open this. Yeah, this is the batch content, batch code. So this is the sufficient code to save take our backups in one click. So where we'll place this file, let me show you. Okay, this is B. So first previous batch file I need to delete here for the fresh. 1 second. This is B. I'm deleting it. I have deleted this. Now we have our new batch file. Okay, just copy it. Copy this file. Go to directory and click on Windows. After that, paste it here. Yeah, click on continue. Yeah, so our batch file is in Windows. Now everything is ready for you. Okay, just go in your backup like this. Yeah, the metadata will copy from here. Okay, and this is backup directories. So go to here. Now you will see nothing here. Just take first backup. Click on Windows plus R, type B, press enter. You will see backup here. Okay, it will automatically open your backup folder. Just close this and close this. You don't need to open anything. Just Windows plus R, click B, press enter. Here is your backup classes LWC. Okay, close this. Here backup. Every time you save, VS Code would retrieve new data or deploy new files. Like it will create folder date wise and you can see the time here. Okay, so this is how you will take the VS Code backup in just one click. And the script, the code is here, you can see. Let me open this in Visual Studio Code. Yeah, this is the code. You can see the code here. The code will be same for every time. You only need to change this backup folder path and VS Code actual path. Otherwise everything will be the same. So using this you can take your VS Code backup in just one click. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.